Alright, testing our KMH-50A 2-to-1 gear off this Yanmar. Takes 30 weight engine oil. So it was brought in for a noise complaint. Turns out the damper plate was the issue, it appears. It had some rubber and stuff broken in it, but the service shop wanted the transmission looked at anyway, so that's what we did. We took it apart, resealed it, put new clutches in it. Got good oil flow. We've got electric shift here. So we don't use the poke and hope method here. I don't know anything about the controls in this Yanmar, but it looks like you see a CW and a CCW that you would think power and ground would be that, which is what I've got, which it indeed it is what it is, or is what it was, I should say. But I did own those solenoids, and they were 8.5 ohms before I put power to it. So that tells me that I've got something that's going to draw current there. So that's what we did. So it works really good. We'll ship it. All right, let's check the other way. You can actually hear that valve cycling there. Pretty cool. We'll ship it. Nice and quiet, shifts smooth. So I'd say she's good to go.